Hey, what's good YouTube? Gary here. This is G-Town Bricks. Today we are going to build and review a mail truck from BrickDesigners. I got the last pieces. Just got a Bricklink order in. I needed these wheels and a couple of light pieces. So let's go ahead and build this guy. This is actually my second build from them, this school bus. I did a review on this on my other channel. I may link that in my description. When I built this is a couple years ago. It's a lot of dust on here. I need to dust this guy off. But I just broke it. Anyway, I had no clue who BrickDesigners was at the time, but now one of my favorite sites to go to. But let's build this guy. All right, so I like to build on the floor here. I got my laptop. I got the PDF of the instructions. So let's get to it. All right, so that build didn't take very long. I didn't time myself, but I don't think it was more than 20 minutes, and that was partly because I didn't have all the pieces that I thought I had in one spot, so I had to track down some pieces. But when you order the instructions, they will also mail you a sticker sheet. I know if you're like me, you hate stickers, but they are a necessary evil. So let's apply these. Alright, here you go with all the stickers applied. I'm not the biggest fan of stickers or very good at placement, but I think I did alright. I can't seem to find my Newman figure or any of the Seinfeld guys, but I do have him, so you can see for scale. And if you don't get the joke, well, if you do get the joke, then we could be friends. If you don't get the joke, then you may be too young for me to play with you. Let me get this up on Baseplate. Swap this out for one of the older standard base plates here. There's a 6 wide, so it'll fit nicely on the older roads. Alright, and here we have it on one of my Mills road plates. Well, pretty cool build. Let me know in the comments what you think. Stay tuned for more. Please like, subscribe, and holler at me in the next video. Peace.